This story is dedicated to the Kia Carnival, which is about to get a makeover. The mid-cycle refresh will replace the current iteration, which is less than 2 years old and is expected to hit the market next year as a 2024 model. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel to receive future updates. Spy photos of a heavily disguised prototype have recently surfaced on the internet, and the renderings created by Nikita Chuko, author of the Kolisa website, attempt to build on them to some extent. However, because the camouflage was simply too thick to discern the styling at both ends, they do not appear to be that precise. The digital illustration shows nude vertical headlights with a different lighting signature and fresh DRLs that give it a futuristic look, alongside a reinterpreted version of the front bumper. The profile remains identical. Out back, it has a new tailgate with a repositioned license plate holder and new tail lamps that, to some extent, mimic the shape of the front lighting units. The bumper, as well as the spoiler, are new. You shouldn't expect any significant changes under the hood, as the 2024 Kia Carnival sold in the United States will most likely retain the same 3.5-liter V6 engine. The engine is currently rated at 290 horsepower and 262 pound-feet, with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The MSRP for the minivan's base model is $32,900, while the starting price for the top-of-the-line model is $46,000. Thank you for watching. To receive future updates, please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.